Hi there, my name is Diego and today we will talk about morning routine. I live in an apartment in a big city in Brazil. In the mornings, I love preparing a smoothie for breakfast. This is my smoothie recipe. We need skim milk, fruits, oatmeal, and a blender. My favorite fruits are banana and papaya. It is very simple. First, cut the fruits in small pieces and put them in the blender with the skim milk and the oatmeal. Blend for 10 seconds and it is ready. If you want to prepare a smoothie for you, ask your parents for help. How about you? Do you like eating fruits in the morning? Do you like preparing your own breakfast?